The transit of Venus is underway, a once-in-a-lifetime event that has Venus passing between the Earth and the Sun. KTVU South Castaneda live in Mountain View, where some people came from halfway around the world to get a good look.
Well, this is a rare event, and you have to pardon... Okay, there we go. Someone's driving by a live shot. Always happens on live TV. These people are watching, they're lining up, looking at telescopes to get a look up at the sky at this very rare event that only happens about once every 100 years. Professional and amateur astronomers lined up with telescopes and special viewing gadgets to look up into the sky at the transit of Venus, a rare event that only happens in pairs about once every 100 years. Venus orbits inside the orbit of the Earth. We both orbit the Sun, Venus and Earth, but Venus is on the inside. But Venus doesn't go in front of the Sun from our point of view very often. The next time Venus will pass between the Sun and Earth will be in 105 years in 2117.
I don't think I'm going to live until 2117. Probably not my kids either. Who knows? I don't know. But maybe my grandkids.
Dr. Natalie Battaglia is a Kepler mission scientist at the NASA Ames Research Center.
Astronomers look through telescopes, right? We don't often get to see things happening in real time, to actually see a celestial body orbiting its sun.
The Venus transit event has brought people from near and far to watch. Oscar Martin came here from Spain. California is one of the best places to see it. He calls himself an eclipse chaser, traveling around the world to watch cosmic events.
For example, I went to Egypt, twice to China, and Polynesia, French Polynesia. And this year, in November, I will go to Australia to see another total solar eclipse.
This is a fun event, but scientists are also hoping to collect as much data as possible for this event, which is called the Transit of Venus. Now, we remind you not to look up at the sun directly. If you have a pair of glasses, it looks like this. I won't put them on, but you know what I mean. Or welder's glass, number 14 welder's glass, or a telescope with a shield. That should be good enough. Or you can come to NASA Ames Research Center here in Mountain View. Live in Mountain View, South Castaneda, KTVU Channel 2 News.